Hello friends. Today we have a ZTE phone for repair. Full name in the description. In this video we will restore the phone's charging socket because the phone does not charge. Let's see what we have here. I found that the inner part with contacts is loose and not soldered. I also see that it is not damaged. It looks like the contacts came off at some point due to poor soldering. I think it will be enough to solder the contacts only better than before and give a month's warranty. In the meantime, I'll probably order myself a neighband of Type-C connectors. Unfortunately, I only have USB connectors. If the problem happens again, by that time I will already have connectors. I will use BGA balls for soldering. Such balls are convenient for soldering small parts under a microscope. Do not forget to apply flux before soldering. Done friends. Now you need to clean the connector from flux. Now you need to assemble the phone and check how the phone charges. The Type-C connector is much more difficult to change than USB. Keep this in mind. Everything is fine friends, I checked, and the phone charges. Now you need to assemble it completely and do a full check. The phone turned on, and as you can see the phone is charging. Subscribe and see you in the next videos.